Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today we're going to be making the Big Jolly Santa. This is the small die of the month for October 2023 from Spellbinders, and yeah, I like making little Santas. Anyway, this is going to make a real cute little embellishment or focal image that you can put on your cards. I've already got everything cut out, I think. I just cut out one of everything, and we're going to see. Sometimes you need additional, sometimes you don't. So I think I'm going to start with the easiest one, and that's going to be our little ho 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 flag. So we've got this die and this die. We've got Be Nice. Yeah, we've got Be Nice and we've got ho ho ho. So the one I cut out was ho ho ho. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that on the white piece. And that just makes it so the letters stand out a little bit better. There we go. And then I'm going to just put it on this little stick here. And now we have our little ho 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 sentiment. So let's go ahead and start putting together some more of the pieces for our Santa. So we've got this one, which is the hat. And then we've got some white pieces here that's going to go along with it. We've got the... Yeah, I think that's what that one is. Yeah, we've got the little pom-pom, so we can put the pom-pom on. And I'm kind of going to just layer things up. Well, the dies are kind of cool. They have these little embossed lines so that you can see where everything is supposed to go. So we've got a place for the beard. I think what we're going to start off with, though, is the face. And the reason I'm not finishing up the hat is I think it's this one, but I'm not 100% sure. So I want to make sure I'm not gluing a piece that needs to be something else in the wrong place. Okay, so we've got our little Santa hat, Santa face, and we've got his little beard out of white. However, I think I want to have a little red mouth instead of a pink mouth. So I'm going to color the area that's right behind his mouth. So I'm going to go right here with some red. And then when we add this, it's going to be right over that, and that'll look perfect. Okay, great. So we know where this layers right up at. And then we've got his mustache and his eyebrows. And now his head will be able to fit onto the body part. You've got the edge line showing you where the edge of his beard should go. So I'll go ahead and add, actually I'm going to add his arm on here first because I'm thinking, and let's just double check. If I put the arm here, I'm thinking having the beard over is going to be the right way to go. Since we've got one of the arms on, I'll go ahead and do the other. I've got this one die for both of those. And I'm going to have his arm kind of be going up so that he can be holding on to his little banner there. So that'll work out good. Okay, so this one looks like it should be for his belt. And luckily, I can still pull up his hand a little bit. Although I think we've got some gloves that can go over, but I still would rather have the hand above the belt. So let's go ahead and add his little belt, the trim rather for his coat. And then we've got this one that does the boots and his gloves. And I think I did put the hands on the wrong sides, but that is still going to be okay. I'm going to put that one there and put this one on here. And then we could add on his little boots. And let's go ahead and add his hat onto his head. And then we can add the last bit of trim. Okay, there are some additional pieces here. So we've got these pieces that are going to be the trim for his gloves and for his boots. We have a couple of little buttons. And these do appear to be a little bit bigger than the little holes that are there. So I'm just placing them right over the top, letting them overlap. And the glue will dry clear so you won't actually see it any longer. Okay, we've also got, I know, I keep saying that. We've also got a couple of other pieces here. So we've got his nose and cheeks. And I think instead, one of these looks like it's probably a little bit too big for his nose, so I'm not 100% sure what that's supposed to be, but I'm going to use the other one that would have been a cheek and put that one on as his nose, and I think that looks pretty much perfect. Now, his eyes did pop out, but I'm going to just add some cardstock behind them. There we go. I'm going to just add a little bit of glue to the front of our little stick here and put it kind of sort of in Santa's hand. So there we go. So I'm using the new Christmas tile embossing folder for the background. I've been doing this a lot. This is just so pretty. I want to put it on everything. So we're going to put that onto a white card base and then add our little Santa over the top. And as usual, I'm leaving that little 1/8 of an inch all the way around. So I trimmed this green foil card panel down to 4 by 5 1/4. So it's just a little smaller than A2 size. Now, and then I'm going to add some foam tape to the back of our little Santa. And there we go. That's going to finish up this card using the Big Jolly Santa from Spellbinders. You guys have a wonderful day, and be sure to check out this playlist to see more projects where I'm using Spellbinders products. Y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.